heading to Wawayanda State Park. So the reason why we're going there is to pick up a tire for my fat bike, because my fat bike tire is still too original and it needs some replacement. But this one, the guy is selling it for $50 for front and rear, so that's a good deal. And it's a Nate 3.8, and usually this tire costs around $60 each. So hopefully there's nothing wrong with it, you know, there's no holes or patches. So as long as it works, we're gonna go pick it up. Well, we're early today. Still 11:30.
Slight left to stay on Wawayanda Road. Then your destination will be on the left.
That is how much it's gonna cost to get here. Cars is $5, out of state $10. Senior citizen, you get a discount. All right, that's our contact with a Volkswagen GTI, and he just gave me the tires, and they're legit. He hooked me up. All right, so we got these tires, the Surly Nates. Very good. This is definitely gonna fit on the bike. These guys, and hook them up on that fat tire. Snow finally came in. I think this is the first snow of the year, so we just recently changed the tires. I'm excited to try them out because it's really different. Good tires, lighter weight, and it just looks cool with that skin tone walls. So far it's just a coating, so nothing too bad. Look at this fresh snow. All right, so far I'm loving the tires. Yeah, it's grippy and it's got a lot of traction, so I'm really happy about that. I'm gonna try to hit it and maybe just ride off the log. You're right. I'm sorry. That's okay. Have a good day. That was scary. I forgot I don't have any front brakes. Let's see if we can make it. This is kind of scary. So we got a major issue. Well, not really major issue. Well, this is not good. Looks like we caught a flat tire. I'm gonna try to pump it in and see if it can take any air. I mean, I just need a few PSI and it should be good to go. This is not tubeless. Hopefully it holds, and then from there I can take the fire road going back that direction or whatever direction I gotta go to. The tire seems to hold up well. And the good thing about fat tire is that you don't need a lot of air for it to work. So right now I probably have 10, maybe 8 PSI. So I'm just taking it easy, making sure I don't hit any sharp rocks like that one. And I'm a kind of lightweight guy, so we're just gonna limping it home. Tire is good, loving it, no problem, no issues. I mean, I wanna try to go and use it in a deep snow, probably like 5 inches at least. All right, we made it back without calling for rescue. Not bad. Good test. That was a close call, guys. the crawl.
Daddy, I give these to you. As snowballs.
A couple days ago, we got pummeled by a lot of snow. So there's a good 6 to 8 inches right now, and it should be fun trying to ride that many or that high of a snow. Today we're gonna go on a nearby trail. Before we do that, let's just check out Trader Joe's. It's along the way, so we're gonna stop by, grab a few things. People don't know how to park here. This is gonna be a pain in the ass to park because we got a huge van. Let's just park here. So don't forget to mask up. That is, yeah, not bad. It looks doable. I mean, as long as it's packed, then we should be good to go. I'm going uphill now, and it's biting. If we go straight, we have no tracks. The snow needs to be packed down to be able to get moving. Like, this is gonna be a pain to ride. Okay, let's start on top. Look at this. I can't even get moving. Oh, yeah. Nope. Not happening. I'm even struggling trying to push the bike uphill. It's a bridge. It's gonna be a scary bridge. I just scared a deer. Oh, my balls. Oh, I'm gonna get hurt. Let's not do that. Let's do some downhill. All right, let's go. Damn dog. Whoa, slippery. Oh, shit. Okay, we're back in Alpine. This area right here have a good uphill for 15 to 20 minutes and then a good downhill section. So we're gonna try and see how it performs. It should be easier climbing this hill. The rear tire kept slipping still. Okay. Maybe I need to lower my pressure. Okay, another trick is if you don't have a stick to press it, use the tip of this thing. Okay, it's gonna be tiring. I might need some studded tires. Much better. Look. Alright, has a single track. And we got skiers over there. Thank you.
Easier for me to get started again than you.
Oh yeah, that's right. Uphill's a bitch. All right, we just finished doing the review of the Surly Nate 3.8. I got them for 50 bucks used, so it's a steal at that price. I really like them for what it is. It's lighter weight, and in the snow it has good grip. One of the big issues I had with the original one is that when you're on the pavement or hard packed dirt, it kind of tends to wobble, I guess, or it has like a self-steering, they call it. But this one doesn't have that issue, so that's a big plus. I mean, you're still gonna slide. You need one of those studded tires, especially in the winter. Is it worth to get studded? Yeah. If you're gonna be riding a lot in the snow, yeah, get them. It gives you more confidence, especially in a downhill. When you go uphill, it gives you a lot of grip. This is okay. You have to lower down the air pressure, air it down, maybe 10 psi or so. For me, for what I do, I'm just gonna keep it as is. It's fine. I mean, I just go out a couple hours a day anyway, and it doesn't snow all the time, so I think we should be okay. I'm gonna use it this season because it's still gonna snow tomorrow and the next couple of weeks. So that's that here in New York. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys like what you see, consider subscribing, and I'll try to put more videos like this for you guys later.